Okay, today I want to do a follow-up on the fodder for the chickens. People been having problems. People having problems growing them. They're having problems with the slime. Um, so we're going to address that this morning. All right. Uh, I'm going to post the video that I made before under this video of me growing lentils. Okay. How we do it here. Okay, it's early in the morning, and I got my lentils growing in the windowsill. I still hadn't moved them outside yet. I've still got a little lentil growing container I'm working on. Uh, okay. Problem people are running into, they're saying they're slimy. That there's a lot of slime in the lentils. Okay. So, let's address that. These are the lentils that's going out this morning to the chickens. Okay. Alright. These bottoms one. Okay, these are for tomorrow. That's the next day. That's the next day. That's the next day. The next day. The next day. The next day. Okay. And the next day is actually, let's see if I can find them. The next day is soaking. Okay. First thing you need to do, you need to make sure the holes are big enough so they can drain. Okay. Chances are you're putting too many lentils. Okay, I'll go for this size container. Okay, let me grab my measuring cup, I'll show you. Okay, I'll go, alright, between quarter and half. See the quarter mark and the half mark? Okay, I'll go between those two. Okay, and a level, of course. Alright. So you could be putting too many lentils. You could be, the holes might not, like I said before, the holes might not be big enough. Re-drill your holes, but make sure they're not, or add more holes. Make sure the holes are not so large that the lentils fall through. Okay. The third problem could be, now some people soak them in Clorox. I don't, and I don't have any problems. The next thing is probably watering. You could be overwatering them. Okay. So this morning I feed these lentils. Okay, these are going to the chickens. Okay. Then this one right here, the next tower over, this tower right here, this one will go in the bottom here. Okay. It'll go here. Okay. The ones that's soaking you just saw, okay, they will go here. It will go into here. Okay. Now, watering. Chances are you're overwatering. Okay. I'll take my spray bottle. Okay. I'm not sure what size this is. You can see it's not a extremely large spray bottle. Let's see. Spray bottle. Okay, it looks like it's 10 ounce. Looks like 10 ounce. Okay. So what I do is, all right, I'll spray this one 20 times. Okay, I'll lift this up and I'll spray this one 20 times. Each one gets sprayed 20 times. And I'll come across here. Each one gets 20 sprays. Okay. Then I'll come back and do it again. 20 sprays, 20 sprays, 20 sprays, all the way around till each one has gotten 40 sprays. Okay. Then I'll do this just in the morning. Then the bottle will be down a ways. Then I'll pour into this one, the two top ones. I'll pour into this one. Pour into this one. Most of it going into this side. Pour into this one until I pour into the whole jar or the whole bottle. Okay. Now that will be in the morning. Now I do that after I feed these lentils. And like I said, I'll do the rotation. That's when I spray. Okay, then I don't spray at noon. I come back at night. Okay, before going to bed. All right, and I'll spray 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and come back and spray another 20, 20, and 20. And that's all I do. At night I don't pour the water. I don't pour the water into the tops like I do in the morning. Okay, so that's enough water. You could be overwatering them. Okay. In the other video I probably showed overwatering. Okay. So that's the problem. That's probably your problem. Now, go ahead and try that. Now, if you still have that problem, okay, if you're still having that problem, leave it in the comments. But that should handle your problem. You're either overcrowding the lentils when you put them into your trays. The holes aren't big enough. You don't have drainage. Okay, or you're overwatering. So what's causing the slime buildup, is too much water. And I'm trying to tell you how to alleviate that. Okay? So hopefully this will help someone. And if you have any more problems, just let me know. Okay, this is on the windowsill, and as you can see, those trees out there are now full of leaves. If you look in the other video, there wasn't any leaves in the trees. Okay, but they're still growing. They don't need a lot of sunlight to grow. They would probably grow in the dark. Okay, that's how we do it here. How we keep slime from getting in our lentils. Okay, so we fed the chickens the top one here. Okay, and we moved everything up. Remember, we took this one and crossed it over to here. And that's the new one that we had soaking. Okay. So what we do is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll do each one 20. Now I can't lift this up because I'm holding the camera, so I'm not going to spray these until I put the camera down. Alright, 20 in each one, 20 in each one. Okay, and then we're going to pour the remainder into here. Okay, I did 20 in each one, and I came back and I did another 20. Remember, we do twice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20. Now, don't do the bottom because this was just soaking. Okay, I'm going to pull the top off. Okay, this is how much we have left. I'm going to put my thumb over the end of it. And we're just going to put a little here. And here. Okay. Now that's what we do. Now you can hear it dripping. Just in the morning, and at night we spray everything 20, double, twice. Okay, that's how we do it.